Alright, we have a 2018 Ford Mustang GT Premium 5.0 with an automatic. LED daytime running lights. Projector beam HID headlights. Has the 18-inch chrome wheels and then LED side mirror blinkers. Proximity entry. Push button start. There's your black leather power passenger and driver seats. A locking glove box with the owner's manual inside. So push button start, and then you have different driving modes as well as steering wheel modes, and then you have heated cool seats. And I'll get inside on the driver's side in just a little bit, and we'll go through the screen there. But it has navigation, backup camera, AM, FM radio, XM radio, all that good stuff. Has the interior ambient lighting package, so you can change all the different colors. This one also has the active exhaust package. So this is a warm start. The car's been running for a good 10 minutes or so already. You got reverse parking sensors. This one has the spare tire package. You don't get that very often. That's an optional upgrade. It's all stock under the hood. Power windows, locks, and mirrors. Full digital display here. It's got Bluetooth, cruise control. There's your reverse parking sensors, automatic headlights, backup camera. There's your navigation, Android Auto. You have the garage door opener up here. And the cup holders illuminate. Paddle shifters.